Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Ford Fusion key fob battery. First, gather your essential tools: a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR 2032 coin cell battery. It's important to have these ready before you begin. Find a clean, well-lit area to work, ensuring you have good visibility. This simple task takes just a few minutes, and you'll have your key fob working perfectly again in no time. Let's get started. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side or bottom edge of the casing. This is where you'll insert your flathead screwdriver. Gently twist the screwdriver to create a small gap between the two halves of the fob. Be careful not to apply too much force, as the plastic can be delicate. The goal is to separate the casing without causing any damage to the internal components. Take your time with this step. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. This is crucial for proper installation of the new battery. Gently pry out the old CR 2032 battery using your screwdriver or fingernail. Now, insert the new CR 2032 battery, making sure the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces the same direction as the old one. This ensures your key fob functions correctly. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, making sure all the internal components are properly seated. Gently press the halves together until you hear and feel them snap securely into place. Give it a good squeeze around the edges to ensure a tight seal. Once reassembled, test all the buttons on your key fob to confirm it's working perfectly. You've successfully changed your Ford Fusion key fob battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.